What is going on, guys? Just picked up a check here for $250,876, and it is not all profit. This came from a wholesale deal, and so I'm going to take you back to the very beginning, and then we will go over the numbers. All right, guys, I am at the new house that we just closed on, and this is going to be a wholesale or a light hab. I just purchased it this morning. We are just going to do some very light work to it and then put it back up on the market. So I figured I'd take you along for the ride. It's in fairly good shape, but it's still obviously going to need to be cleaned, painted, floored, whatever else it may need. Take you real quickly through. All right, so this is just a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Oh, wait a second. Okay, now, so this is 1 full and 2 halves. Yeah, 1 full and 2 half baths. All right, I'm meeting an agent and a contractor over here in a couple minutes, and we'll find out. I paid a lot for it. I think I paid $202,000 for it. It's only worth, I would say, $260 to $269. We'll see what I end up spending in the fix-up. After all said and done and selling expenses, I'm only expecting to maybe make $25,000, but I will keep you guys in the loop and let you know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, it's been a week and we are back. They say they're done, so I'm going to do a quick walk through with you. I'll connect it to the other one. So wasn't a whole lot done, if you remember. It's mostly paint, flooring, cleanup. Backyard obviously looks a whole lot nicer. Put these doors on here. Carpet. Carpet and paint. This isn't much. That's why I say we don't really rehab. It's just a 1-week job. All right. All right, that's it. Now we're gonna put it on the market and we'll let you know how it turns out. So they're rocking and rolling, so. How are you? So you didn't see what it looked like before, but they already did a lot here to the deck in the backyard, cleaned it up. It looks good. So I think I told you what I'm doing with this one is just going to be a wholesale. So we're just doing really light. They've already done a great job. And we're just painting, carpeting, light fix up, and going to throw it back on the market. Yeah, so they've already done a good job. There was stuff hanging from the ceiling, and they're rocking and rolling here. Yep, the bathroom's underway. All right, yeah, I was joking with them saying do it in a week, but it looks like they're just about done, so that is fantastic. So I think I told you the numbers. I think I paid like $202 for it with closing costs like $205. It's probably only going to sell for like $260, $269, and I'm paying $14 for the work. So I'm not going to make much. It should be about 20, 25 grand if I'm lucky. After closing costs and closing cost assistance.
So what is Wholetail?
Basically, it's, I don't rehab. So, I don't consider this a rehab, obviously. I'm just painting and carpeting. I don't rehab. So some people call it a light hab. Yeah. A wholesale. Basically, it's a cross between wholesale and wholesale and retail. Sometimes we just close and put it on the market. On this one, I closed, and I'm just painting and carpeting and doing some light fix up, and then we'll put it on the market. But you can show the street scene, and this is pretty much it. It's just, we'll be in and out of here in a week, and then it'll be on the market, and I'll keep you followed along so we see how it goes. Now, don't forget this sign over there. So I've done it for years. I used to rehab, you know, and then when I quit rehabbing, I want nothing to do with rehabbing anymore. I like not rehabbing. However, sometimes it makes sense to do a little bit of work and get a lot more money than you would, or no work. Sometimes it just makes sense to close on it. Like a good wholetail is literally just closing on it, cleaning it out, and putting it on the market. And those are my favorite. And sometimes you can make an extra 30 grand by doing that instead of just wholesaling it and making 30 grand less. So I will do it when the situation arises. This particular one isn't the best deal in the world. I just did it. Basically, I had an appointment, and it's what the girl needed to get out, and I was trying to find a way to make it work to help her out, and we'll still be able to make some money in the process. Again, we're not going to make much. I think we'll make probably 20 grand or 25 grand, but I'll keep you in the loop as we close so you know how it actually turned out.